Now today we will discuss about the differences between DNA and RNA, and this is very important question for the board point of view. Let us see the difference between DNA and RNA. DNA first difference is sugar moiety is deoxyribose. In DNA the sugar type is deoxyribose, but in RNA the sugar type is ribose. Now second difference is the base presents are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Uracil is not present, but in the case of RNA the base present are adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosine. Thymine is rarely present, means absent. Third difference is double stranded molecule. DNA is double stranded molecule, RNA is single stranded molecule. Next difference is DNA obeys Chargaff's rule, but RNA does not obey Chargaff's rule. So next difference is bases are not modified, but in the case of RNA bases are modified. Next difference is it is stable and not hydrolyzed easily by alkali. Next, in the case of RNA it is unstable and hydrolyzed easily by alkali. Next difference, DNA content is constant in all the cell except during cell division, but in the case of RNA varies from cell to cell. Next difference, we will see the next difference. The lifetime of DNA is comparatively high, but in the case of RNA is short-lived. Next difference is no natural DNA is catalytic, but RNA can be catalytic. Last difference, present in the nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. DNA is present in nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast, but in the case of RNA, nucleus, mitochondria, nucleolus, ribosome and cytosol. This is the basic differences between DNA and RNA, and this is very important for the board point of view. If in questions it is written that write down the differences between DNA and RNA, write down these differences. If you want to take the screenshot of these differences, let us take it from the board. This is the DNA, this is the RNA.